What's up, guys? Good afternoon. Now I'm gonna be munching on some McDonald's for you guys. Oh, now it's focusing. Okay. So it's my lunch. I'm tired of mall food, guys. Not gonna lie. So I decided to get Mickey D's for me. Let's blur that shit. I got a Big Mac meal. Yo, there's something about McDonald's fries. I don't know, but when people be saying that McDonald's fries are trash, in my opinion, it's really not. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's really good, actually. There's mad salt. Let me do it. Yes. So this thing autofocuses on my face, so I gotta feel me. Yes, sir. Can I tell you guys what I got? So I got a Big Mac meal. With 6-piece nuggets. Oh my god, why is it autofocusing? So my fries are inside here because I don't want the fried salt to be like, you know what I'm saying? I also have to vacuum my car. Maybe I'll do it today, since I'm not working out today. Yeah. What is your go-to sauce, guys? Like, what kind of sauces do you guys like to get at McDonald's with your chicken nuggets? Got my Big Mac. Anybody that thinks the McDonald's chicken nugget ain't that good, it's not focusing. I think it's beautiful. Guys, I'm telling you, McDonald's food hits so differently. Let me show you guys my big. Oh, they hooked it up, boy. You heard me. A piece of lettuce. So good. I don't eat a Big Mac like that, guys. I usually get like fish fillet. I usually get a Big Mac like that. Cause I don't know. I just don't like to order Big Macs every time I go to McDonald's. You know what I'm saying? But it does hit. It does hit differently every time I eat it. Feel me? Like, this is amazing. I think so good. Forgot about my fries. You guys can see the burger right there, right? Sheesh. I know my video from yesterday, guys. I was testing out the new camera, and I wasn't sure when I was gonna record a mukbang, but today I got something to eat for lunch, and I was like, why not I record a mukbang for you guys? Guys. I eat very messy, guys. I like the Christmas bag. Hot. Clear the palate. I haven't spoken much in this video, guys. Damn, it's already been 14 minutes. God damn. Wow. Tomorrow's already Wednesday, guys. It's already half a week. Next Saturday is already Christmas. Next Friday is Christmas Eve. couldn't believe it. We finished the chicken nuggets now. I'm not even done with the first barbecue sauce, but your boy wants to double dip. I got two now. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? I don't want to drip. So I got two. One is a brand new one and one's like used. So I was trying to go play ball yesterday, guys. At nighttime, couldn't go. The gym was basically closed. So probably gonna go tomorrow. Okay. You got a 6-piece guy. I got my Starbucks coffee this morning. You know me, guys. You guys know me. I have to get Starbucks in the morning. If I don't, I feel like a zombie. I literally feel like I'm walking on air. You know what I'm saying? If I don't get like a coffee or like something that's, you know, caffeinated. I think that also, that probably also has to do with like my addiction to coffee or like my addiction to like caffeine. But it's different, right? Because when I drink soda, I don't drink soda in the morning, but if I was to, it wouldn't wake me up. Like soda caffeine and coffee caffeine are different. You feel me? So probably gonna go back inside the mall now, guys. I think I'm gonna continue vlogging. I was supposed to like make the vlog and then end it, but I'm sorry, not a vlog. Make the MUKBANG and end it, guys, but I don't think I'm gonna end it, so I'm gonna continue vlogging this process. Yeah, guys. I hope that all you guys enjoyed this little mukbang. And I'm like talking as if like I'm gonna close out the video. I'm not. I'm gonna continue vlogging my mall process. I'm gonna walk around a little bit. And then Hopefully by 3 o'clock I'll be out of here. Yeah. If you guys want to know why I come here every freaking day, go watch my yesterday's night video. That'll probably explain, you know, more things. But yeah, I'm not gonna explain in this video because I already explained it last night. I had a sit-down conversation with you guys, so I'm not gonna explain it in this video. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. What's up, guys? So I'm driving now. It's sunny as shit. I didn't record anything at the mall, guys, because I was just walking around. There was really nothing to record anything. I was literally just walking around, looking at shit until I got cold, and now I'm like, you know, going back to work. But yeah, guys, I'll probably close out the video later on, guys, in case I do have something else to record for you guys. But yeah, like an hour ago, I recorded a mukbang, and then I thought I was gonna make some more clips at the mall, but I didn't get to because there was really nothing to record besides me just walking around. And yeah, guys, so hopefully I'll catch you guys in a few more hours from now. And yeah, guys, I'm just driving, so there's nothing really. Oh my god, my camera's shaking. There's nothing really going on, but yeah, guys, I guess stay tuned for now. I don't know where I was trying to take the video today, guys. Today's video was everywhere. I recorded earlier today, starting off with a mukbang. Then I was supposed to record like a vlog kind of thing while I was at the mall, while I was inside the mall, but I didn't take out the camera or anything. So I don't know where the video was going, guys. And then I ended up recording something when I was in my car, but you know, I don't know if I closed out the video. Don't remember. It's been a few hours, so I didn't post anything. But I'm gonna post on my YouTube now. For everyone that's been vibing with me, thank you guys for always tuning in back to my channel. Thank you guys for, you know what I'm saying, for always vibing with the JB gang. You feel me? And just joining the family. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And yeah, guys, let's grow together. You know what I'm saying? And let's vibe out together each time when I make a video. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys hopefully in my next vlog or my next video.